Today I'm sharing the food prep routine that literally changed everything for me, from my energy levels to my hormones. If you have been feeling exhausted, foggy, or inflamed, this might be exactly what you need. Hey Fit Fam, I'm Shantel, your guide to whole body transformation through the power of whole foods and mindful movement. I am so super passionate about helping you discover that true health isn't just about numbers. It's about feeling vibrant, strong, and absolutely amazing in your beautiful skin. Join our family by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on a weekly upload. So today's food prep session is a condensed version of what I typically do, but I figured while I work, we could chat about something that has been absolutely transformative in my health journey, and that is focusing on whole foods that are anti-inflammatory, nutrient-dense, and fantastic for cellular health. If you've been struggling with energy levels, brain fog, mood swings, or just not feeling your very best, then you've come to the right place because I have been there, done that. Let's talk about inflammation, which I feel like has become such a buzzword, but what does it actually mean for our bodies? Think of it like this. Inflammation is like your body's alarm system. When something harmful enters your body, and I'm talking about bacteria, toxins, or even certain foods, your immune system activates inflammation as a response, and it's a protective response. It's like there's a fire and you send in the firefighters. That is inflammation. So short-term inflammation is actually a good thing. It helps to heal injuries and to fight off infections. When you get a cut and it's like red and swollen, that's inflammation doing its job. Now, it is a completely different story when this response stays switched on and becomes chronic. It's like having those same little firefighters we talked about, but those guys are constantly spraying your house when there's no fire. And over time, I'm sure you can imagine, water is going to cause damage, and in this case, it's just that inflammation. Honestly, chronic inflammation can be triggered by so many different things. It's processed foods, it's sugar, it's toxins in your environment, stress, poor sleep. Honestly, even the aging process increases inflammation, which it is why it's so especially important for those of us who are over 40 to be really mindful of this. But honestly, every age group should be really mindful. I think what's really fascinating is that most chronic inflammation happens super quietly. It's silent. You don't see it the way you see a swollen ankle, but it is affecting pretty much every system in your body. So what exactly is happening in our bodies when we have this chronic low-grade inflammation? Well, it's almost like a slow leak in your energy reserves. So when you have this chronic low-grade inflammation, your body is constantly just spending resources trying to fight this unnecessary battle, which means that there is a lot less energy for everything else. From thinking clearly to recovering from your workouts, none of that is getting priority treatment when you have this chronic inflammation going on, because that is where your body is putting all of its energy. So on a cellular level, inflammation creates oxidative stress, which means it's damaging the cell structures and even your DNA. It affects how nutrients are delivered to your cells and how waste is removed from the body. Everything slows down and becomes less efficient. And that is not what we're about here. You know, we are trying to be healthy, beautiful, lovely, magical beings. But this is exactly what I experienced before changing my approach to food and fitness. I was dealing with brutal period pain, brain fog that made me feel like my brain was freaking mush, these unexplained aches and pains that were like mystery injuries. It was the wildest thing. I had horrible sleep, as in not sleeping or not sleeping nearly enough, and exhaustion that was debilitating beyond words. I mean, there's a lot more. There is a lot more, but those are the hot tickets. I seriously thought I was just super burned out from years of grinding so hard at work and living under constant stress. And I really thought the fix was just more rest. But turns out I was partially right, but no amount of rest was gonna fix what was broken. I mean, things were bad. Everything I was feeling was actually connected to inflammation that was disrupting my cellular health, my hormone balance, and energy production. And listen, I don't want to leave my fellas out. You might be experiencing this differently. So for you, it might be joint pain that won't go away, digestive issues, or feeling like your recovery from workouts takes forever. Really, the underlying mechanism is often the same. It's chronic inflammation. So knowing all of that, let's talk about cellular health, because this is like the wonderland. It is magic. So your body has trillions of cells. Each one is like a teeny tiny little factory with a bunch of little departments working together. They need the right raw materials, efficient waste removal, and the right communication to function at their very best. So when we talk about cellular health, we're talking about optimizing every single aspect of these teeny tiny little factories. From the cell membrane that controls what gets in and out, to the mitochondria that produce energy, to the nucleus that contains your genetic blueprint. When I mean it touches everything, it touches everything. Everything in your body is interconnected through these cellular processes. Your brain cells need proper nutrition to produce neurotransmitters for clear thinking. Your muscle cells, those guys need nutrients to repair and grow stronger after your workouts. Your hormone-producing cells, those guys need specific building blocks to create balanced hormones. This explains why improving your nutrition doesn't just affect one area, it really creates like a ripple effect through your entire beautiful system. Listen, when I shifted my approach to health and fitness and made anti-inflammatory and nutrient-dense foods my top priority, it wasn't just my energy that got better, my sleep got deeper, my period pain went from easily a 9 to a 2 or a 3, my skin became even clearer, and even my strength gains in the gym increased by leaps and bounds. I really like to say that everything is magic, but it really does come down to giving your cells what they need so that they can do their jobs the right way. What I find most empowering about all of this is that food isn't just fuel, it's information. Friend, every single bite we take is sending instructions to our cells, either promoting inflammation or fighting against it. Listen, food seriously can be medicine when we approach it mindfully. The foods I'm prepping today are specifically chosen to provide my cells with anti-inflammatory compounds, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, and the full spectrum of nutrients needed for optimal cellular function. I have really gotten into cellular health, and it is just mind-blowing. I love it so much. Really, what I find amazing is that our bodies want to heal. They are designed to heal. When we remove the inflammatory triggers and give it the right nutritional building blocks, our bodies often know exactly what to do with those resources. This isn't about restrictive dieting or any complicated rules. This is about being intentional with how we nourish our bodies. Adding in more of the good stuff naturally has created this situation where it pushes out the less supportive choices. And the feedback loop is incredible. When you start feeling better, you want to keep making those choices that support that good feeling. It really becomes self-reinforcing instead of this constant battle of willpower. Ain't nobody got time for that. I really find that being intentional about the foods I use to fuel my body have truly transformed my health in ways that I never expected. Food is fuel. Friend, food is life. I would love to hear if you've experienced similar benefits from focusing on whole anti-inflammatory foods. Feel free to drop a comment below and let me know what changes you have noticed or what questions you have about this approach. Thank you so much for prepping with me today, my friend. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell, because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.